everybody! Welcome to Art Factory with your host, Miss Marissa. It's day one of our Christmas holiday art extravaganza. Each day this week, we're going to be making an art project that has to do with Christmas, whether it's Christmas trees, ornaments, maybe even some gingerbread men. But no matter what we make, we know it's going to be a holly jolly time with you making it with us. So I was thinking what would be a great start to our holiday festivities. And one of my very favorite parts about Christmas is decorating the tree. I love being with my family and lighting up the tree and putting on all the ornaments. And if your tree is anything like mine, you probably have some ornaments that your mom and dad bought or your family bought, but also some ornaments you've made. Now today we are going to be making an ornament, but it's going to be kind of special. Maybe not one you hang up on the tree, but one you can hang up somewhere else because it's going to be a big ornament. Now, it's not going to necessarily look like this little one because we are going to make it out of a big circle. But before we get to that, I've got to talk to my very special winter friend, Wendy. There you are. Wendy, can you believe that Christmas is getting so close? You can't. I know, it's just so exciting. Now, Wendy, today we're going to be making ornaments. You'd like to make one too? Well, I'm sure we can make that happen. Do you want to guess what we're going to make our ornaments out of today? Oh yeah, you did hear me say it was going to be a big circle and some tissue paper. That's really weird that you know exactly what we're going to use. So today, for our ornament, you're going to need a cute Christmas ribbon, a black rectangle, circles cut out in different shapes and colors, and a paper plate to be our big fancy ornament. Let me show you how it's done. The first thing you're going to need to do is grab your handy dandy glue. Since you're working with tissue paper, you'll need to put the glue on the plate, then stick the tissue paper down. You want to make sure to give it a nice press so that it's nice and flat on your plate. There's no pattern or right way or wrong way to do this. You can just sit down the colors any way you like to make it look like a glowing, beautiful color bulb. Next, you're going to take your black rectangle to be the top of your ornament. So, I like to use tape for this part because it makes it stick to the plate a little easier. We put tape down on the black rectangle and stick it to the top of your plate. Once that's done, take a colorful holiday ribbon and twist it so that it's connected on the bottom. Use the same tape or a stapler to connect the ribbon to the black piece of paper. That'll be the nice hanging part of your ornament. Wow, my ornament turned out really festive. Now, I used really big circles to show you guys how to make this. But if you use little circles, you can have even more colors and lots of different things to look at on your ornament. No matter how you make it, it's gonna turn out great. Let's show Wendy. Wendy, look! Do you like my ornament? You do? You wanna hang it up on your tree? Well, maybe later we can hang it up there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the first day of our Christmas craft palooza, extravaganza, holiday special. I can't wait for you guys to see Mr. Jacob tomorrow for our day number 2. See you next time.